Hi, Le Cocktail Connoisseur. I'm Niccolo Mazzucchelli. Today we are in Milan at GRAMM Cafe, and we are going to make our version of espresso martini. It's a transparent espresso martini, different from the normal one, which is black. And we start to make it. It's called Karl Malone, because the main theme of our drink list nowadays is stars of NBA from the 90s. So Karl Malone is one of them. That's why the cocktail is called like that. So we start with our first ingredient, which is basically gin, but inside this pre-batch you also have coffee and frangelico. Frangelico is the nutty flavor liquor, and the gin is tastes like coffee because we washed it with the oil, and we put the leftover of the coffee inside the oil, and then we wash the gin. So we have this amazing product with taste like coffee and nuts. So we put 50 ml of this. Okay. After that, we have 15 ml of simple syrup. Okay. 4 drops of saline solution. This ingredient is important because it balances almost everything, so it's 4 drops. Okay. The last ingredient is the magic velvet, because it is that part of the cocktail which is very important because it gives the right texture to the drink, and it also gives this nice and sexy foam on top of the cocktail. So we go with 4 drops of magic velvet. Okay. Now we shake. Perfect. So it is very important for this cocktail to have this creamy texture and the foam on top of it. That's why we shake with this strength, let's say. Now we take the glass. So we make now a double strain because we don't want this little chip of ice inside of the cocktails. And we are ready. Let's go. Okay. We garnish our cocktail with a small coffee bean on top of it, and we are ready. So as I said, it's a transparent cocktail, but now it's we shake, so it's a little bit white, but it's going to be transparent very soon as the foam goes up the cocktail. But this is our Karl Malone. Cheers.